If you've accidentally deleted messages or photos from Google Photos, there are ways to recover them. Follow these steps to attempt recovery. Step 1. Open Google Photos. Launch the Google Photos app on your device or visit the Google Photos website. Make sure you are logged into the correct Google account where the photos were stored. Step 2. Check the trash/bin. Navigate to the trash or bin folder in Google Photos. This is where deleted items are temporarily stored. Look for the deleted messages or photos you want to recover. Step 3. Restore deleted items. If you find the deleted messages or photos in the trash/bin, select them and choose the option to restore. This will move them back to your main library. Step 4. Check backup and sync settings. Ensure that your backup and sync settings are enabled. This feature automatically backs up your photos and videos to Google Drive, which may allow you to recover items even if they are deleted from Google Photos. Step 5. Contact Google Support. If you cannot find your deleted messages or photos in the trash/bin and they are not backed up, consider reaching out to Google Support for assistance. They may have additional options for recovery. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of recovering deleted messages or photos from Google Photos.